Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. If today is your first time watching me, this is Sister J from Sister J Jamaican Caribbean Cuisine. If today is not your first time watching me, I thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm just going to show you a preview of how I do my chicken soup. I will be doing my chicken soup with some chicken and some chicken feet in it. So come along while I show you a preview of my chicken soup. So for my chicken soup, I have my chicken noodle, I have my pumpkin, my corn, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper, turnip, cho-cho, yam, that's yellow yam, thyme, and yes, breadfruit. So these are some of the stuff that's going to be in the chicken soup. Okay guys, as I say, it's a preview of my chicken soup. So in the pot right here, I have chicken, different parts of the chicken, along with the chicken feet. Chicken and chicken feet. So in the pot I have chicken, chicken feet, I have corn, I have pumpkin, I have the dumpling, cornmeal dumpling, yes. And I have the breadfruit right here. Okay, so breadfruit, corn, pumpkin, dumpling, and chicken is in the pot. So now I'm gonna put in the cho-cho, the turnip, and the carrots. Yes. And I want them to mash out, so I'm gonna put them in early. So, yeah man. Preview of the soup. I'm gonna throw in everything and cover it down. So this is my scotch bonnet pepper, my pimento, my scallion, my thyme. And next up the chicken noodle. Chicken noodle doodle doodle. Chicken noodle doodle soup. Who remember that commercial? Chicken noodle doodle. Chicken noodle soup. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna put in everything and then cover down my pot, make it go and simmer down. Put in a little onion powder in it. Yeah, so if onion go in a soup, yeah, go in a Fifth Sister J soup. And some garlic powder. And this one say cock flavored seasoned, yes. Put a little right in there. And then I put a little black pepper. Yes. And now I stir it up. And then we cover it down. So then I'm gonna cover down my soup and make it go and cook. As me say, it's a preview. Okay, so I'll come back and show you when the boat land. Yeah man, when the boat land, me come back. Okay guys, my soup is ready. The boat land. See there? My soup ready, man. Yes. Ready to eat. But you guys know me. Me always have to take out from one first. See, I'm gonna take one corn. Piece of yellow yam. Cho-cho. Chicken feet. Where's the breadfruit there? Why is the breadfruit hiding from me? Breadfruit. Put the pepper in my plate too. Before it go bust in the pot. And then me hear say the pepper bust. Dumpling. Put everything in my plate. Chicken. What else me not get? Another chicken foot. Yeah, this we do. I'm gonna need some soup now. Yes. See there? There you have it, guys. Plate hot, some of it. Hold it with something. There you have it, guys. From my kitchen to your kitchen, and then to my mouth. This is a preview of Sister J chicken soup. Sister J, where? Nobody tell me say no say do it, but this is how me do it. Yeah, it's just a preview. Take care, guys. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Be safe. God bless.